Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Sklearn or the Scikit-Learn library in your VS Code. So in order to install the Sklearn library, you need to open your VS Code and head on to the VS Code terminal. We will be using the pip module to install this particular library. So in order to proceed, simply type in the following command. It is pip install scikit-learn. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the installation to begin. Now here you can see that the packages are being downloaded for this particular library, and once that has been done, it will be installed into our system. Just wait for all the packages to get downloaded. And here you can see once the packages has been downloaded, the installation has begun. And once the installation has been successfully completed, you will see this message which says successfully installed Scikit-Learn version 1.6.1, and along with this there comes another library installed which is the SciPy library and the thread pool also. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.